See, Bitcoin went up. Go get him. Now's our time to shine. What up, my friends? We're gonna need some coffee. Light them up. Rocket full engaged. crypto, crypto, crypto. Good afternoon, my friends, pirates. It's a big day. Happy Valentine's Day. Days being extra kind today, nice and green for us. Holy cow, Grayscale Litecoin popping off. Some cool things going on. Let's check it out. Type in the chat. Oh, the first question. Are we going to the moon? Yeah, see you there. So funny. So funny. I'll tell you what's so funny. The stock market trader. Hilarious. I saw a bunch of the noob tubers streaming the stock market opening for the bell. Oh, the big CPI report. It didn't do shit. S&P is 0.02% right now. The big opening. Oh boy. Fucking didn't even move. Hilarious. Don't trade off the news. Stocks aren't doing shit, really. They'll finish the day strong. That's good enough. Crypto's going for it. That's what really matters. As clear as can be there. Whoa, Diamond Deckhand Clapper. Hell yeah, good to see you. Somebody give him his sword. Bro, I don't think I've seen you in the chat for a year. Welcome back. Arthur Henry, Corey. And for your life, just serving it. J-Big, Vitaly. So do I. We're on Twitch too if anyone wants to watch over there. Twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. Oh, it's a relaxing day, but it could get epic. I almost wasn't even gonna stream. But my crypto senses are tingling. Twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. That's where I stream now, not the Denwo trading channel. And I got some cool videos we're gonna watch after this on Twitch. Okay, so I can't watch them on YouTube. But in a couple hours we're gonna transition over to Twitch exclusively because I got some cool videos we're gonna watch. Something just happened with Grayscale CEO talking about crypto regulation on Yahoo Finance. Only 800 people have seen this. No one even knows yet. Breaking news. Something going on with Grayscale. They're all green as fuck right now. Grayscale Litecoin, top of the look at this, top of the watch list. So I had to come on camera. I had to pop on stream. We're popping off, popping on, popping off. When's it ever on the top of the watch list? Hey Freddy. Glad we could see this. There's more going on behind the scenes right now. Oh wow, Deccan. Wishing you the best. Just going through some kind of recovery in the hospital and just watching the crypto market summaries. Just keeping them informed and is ready to kick some ass. You're so spec, need healing. The time you smoke. Yeah, we're on both. I got both the chats running. It was a lot to set up, but worth it because we're gonna have a great show. Tomas. We'll check Greenpoint for you. We'll check Power Bridge. Some of those crazy penny stocks, because they're moving. Holy cow. Yeah, hilarious. The stock market, like S&P 0.01%. It's literally as flat as can be. And all the stock market traders are waiting for the news. Nothing happened. Like, it did, but it didn't. So I've just been laughing about that, because it's like the watch list. Who's the S&P? There's a couple of random smaller market cap ones going for it right now. More than BCI. I know you guys are excited about those ones, not the S&P. That's what's so cool about it. Why is it so choppy here? Not really making it anywhere different. Yeah, Freddy says everything's flat for me. It's hard to notice. I'm gonna show you. There's the part where anyone who's trading based off the news and staring at it since the opening has gone up, down, up, down, up, down 100 times. Here's the day zoomed in on it. The bell, oh, big chop. Another. Have fun day trading that. No, thank you. Alright, fuck all that. It's a great day to be a stock pirate, to be on Captain Denwo's ship. Because we don't worry about that BS. We've seen it a million times. That's not... Why would you wanna take a coin flip like that and try and guess up, down, what's next? We already know. We just gotta zoom out. And there it is. I don't care if it goes red today. Doesn't matter. It'll go up higher later on. Doesn't have to happen right now all at once off some news event. Why does it have to squeeze on the news right now all at once? All of a sudden have to be some big event. It doesn't. It's fine. Nothing's changed. That's good. Of course nothing's changed. However, it's given some bullish confirmation for the coconuts who aren't sure. They're not sure. They're still uncertain. They're hesitant on Litecoin. That's why it was down at $89 this morning. This is a big move from 88 really to 95 already. If we hit 100, going from under 90 to over 100 in one day, that's a big move. I want to see Litecoin hit 100 today. And it would be getting pretty epic all of a sudden. Alright. Maybe it's right back where it was yesterday, so it feels flat. There's more going on here than it looks with that 90 shakeout. We want to stay above 90, that's the important number on it. safe to say that it's holding over 90 with this reaction. It's like S&P 0%, but look what Litecoin's doing off the news, essentially. Nothing unexpected, nothing different, but we're getting our catalysts, we're getting that reaction, that momentum, that movement. This is why it's been building up so much, like waiting for the next step, and okay, we're getting the next step with that news finally in the rest of the market. So Litecoin's like, peace. It's enough. You wouldn't notice on the short term. I already see it on the dollar. I already saw the confirmation yesterday before the news. Right here, and it's been flashing all day. This was in the weekend update video on Discord. If you really want to stay up to date with the markets, I'm putting out fire updates on Discord all the time for the members. I'm gonna be streaming there all day tomorrow. Hope to see you there. We're looking through the indicators over the weekend. Dollar long term, very long term, the monthly chart, monthly time frames, MACD, bearish crossover. I saw that yesterday. We're monitoring it over the weekend. The charts are days before the news. That signal, that confirmation was days before all the coconuts are trying to make their decision this morning. Like, so that's actually been flashing, as Dixie's been flashing red and green this morning. That's been like disappearing and coming back, but look, there it is, sure enough. Let's see if that stays there by the end of the day. We'll check it when the market's closed. I have a feeling that's gonna be there. It doesn't even need to, it's a strong signal of what happen next. This can lead to months of dollar dip. When was even the last time that happened? Like, look how long ago this was, the last one of these. That was in 2020. Native. That's like a reunion today, it was great. Shout out to the OGs. Never forget the battle at 801. Hey, Rob. No one's selling their TCAT. You can't buy any. Orders not getting filled. Oh, the squeeze is real. The crypto stocks are the most exciting right now. Those are the first we're gonna check out. So that's pretty major long-term dollar. That's all we care about. Now if it goes red, green, spikes, chops around today, 0%, I don't care. We got that bearish crossover on the monthly chart. That's a strong signal. To be more specific, zooming in a bit here, it gives, well, quite a bit. the last few weeks, last month. We're waiting to break down under 100. It is the last spike up. And it's changing direction now. It's starting to break down again. So that means, like, as that's happening this week, stocks, crypto head back up this week. They were kind of red last week. They would do the inverse like that, right? They don't have to go crazy today right now all at once. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I need to make some more commands for the avatars. Exclamation dip. Exclamation hut. No one got time for that. I will eventually make more fun things for the avatars. It's funny, we were streaming games late night on Twitch one time over the weekend. And then Litecoin was having to go for it, so I pulled up the Litecoin chart, and somebody who was there playing games with us was like, ain't no one got time for crypto, what the fuck? Like, why are you pulling up the Litecoin chart? I was like, dude, 99% of our audience cares about crypto. He's like the one person who doesn't. That was the first. Yeah, so we're holding the trend on dollar. Even zoomed in short term, and then the bearish crossover, the MACD is all perfect. That's all we were looking for. On the dollar, what else? Supporting Forex, Euro, British Pound. Look how that's maintaining. There's everything right now. You have to understand. Fuck anything else you heard. Fuck what you heard. This is everything. The euro has been the bull. Like, this is why fucking stocks have been going green at all whatsoever the last 7 months. Just because of the euro. Giving us dollar dip. As that's going up, the dollar's going down. This is why we've been charting the euro for like a year now, maybe longer. There's the dollar dip trend right there. Like, it's the same thing. That's why the dollar's dipping, because the euro's increasing. For real, in the real world, the geopolitics. The global economy shift. That's not going to change overnight either. That doesn't just change all of a sudden. Like, gosh, some federal announcements and that completely changes the whole global economy shift. No, like, that takes months. It's not topped out enough. That's just a speed bump. When it gets higher up, and when it's way up here at a major long-term resistance, and then there's federal announcements, then it can change it. Then it can be the catalyst. Like, it'll take multiple announcements up in this area to change it. Like, so that's strong confirmation for us. for real traders who use the charts, that's all we need. That's everything. We already had it. Like, I'm trying to. Maybe we were here a few weeks ago, a month ago. And there's 3 things, 3 boxes we wanted to check. Dollar dip, and that was from like 105. It's under 105. Check. We needed S&P over 400. It still is. It's been the whole time. Check. And we needed Bitcoin 24K. Maybe it was 23 even. Check. Like, it happened. I think it was even 23. It might have been 21. I don't remember actually what number we needed on Bitcoin exactly back then, but we crushed it and it's been holding up strong enough. It doesn't need to be 23. As long as it's over 20K, I'm happy on Bitcoin. Okay, so this was like a fucking month ago. We needed these 3 things to happen, and they all happened in the same day. And then I went, oh man, oh my god, that's a 99.9% confirmation that we're gonna get more green here. And we've gotten a ton of green since then. And I was like, I never say that about anything because the markets aren't that certain. But that's how confident I was about it all a month ago. And it's been strong since then. I was like back here somewhere. Well, let's see where Bitcoin was a month ago. The euro, whatever. That's slower moving. I'm talking about when Bitcoin was like here. Or here even. I was like, if it goes up, then confirmation, more green, is dang crushing it. So that was a month ago. I want everyone to realize that, like, as traders, that's when I was able to decide all that. Hey, thanks so much, Angelina. You're the best. Yep, those messages helped last night. Let me know if you have more questions today. I don't need that stuff we were talking about. Oh, she's been making some savage treats. We gotta play it cool too. Stick to our favorites, not take the FOMO portal on anything. Alright, so like, I want you all to realize on Bitcoin, right? We had a breakout like this a long time ago, like a month ago, 2 months ago, whatever. And Mecca Tech, they had back. They have news too. Backed is looking fire right now. Go check that out. Some kind of news catalyst on that too. Like, it was always ready, and they get some news, and the magic happens. Like, the Grayscale CEO going on Yahoo Finance. There's a lot of media attention all of a sudden. I'm sure he didn't say anything earth-shattering. I don't think Superman flew down from planet Kryptonite, like. But it's gonna give us that extra attention on extra buying pressure. So as traders, we saw this breakout on crypto a long time ago. That was all our signal. And it's been crushing it ever since. Hey, Frederick. Yeah. It's so nice to see you all day, for real. Worm in the captain's heart. Some old familiar names I haven't seen in a while. We're still streaming a lot on Discord and Twitch. We're even on Twitch right now. Can we go on there after? I know it's weird, I know it's different, but it's a lot better. It's actually... Everyone who's been watching the late night show on Twitch has been enjoying it. And it's actually a lot better for me in some weird ways, like the quality, for example. The quality is way better, but the music's better. I can play different music. We have more fun. Oh, Twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. That's where I'm streaming the long hours nowadays, like almost every weeknight. So that's pretty much where you can find me. Yeah, I was streaming 8 hours on there the other day. And we play games, we talk about markets, we watch videos, we do it all on there. That's what I like about it, it's good variety. I can actually stream for 8 hours because I get to do whatever I want on there. It's like, oh, let's take a break, let's watch some videos, let's play some games for a while, get back to the charts later when the alerts are going. We don't have to just stare at the 1 minute chart the whole time. That's what I love about it. Nice, Frederick's on board Twitch. Not every night, but you know. Way more than I am on YouTube. Like, I'm saving the YouTube channel for market streams, market summaries, short videos. They don't promote my live stream on YouTube, so it makes more sense to be on Twitch when I stream so much. So I hope y'all understand that it's different, but it's better. Yeah. Give it a try. You'll probably like it. It's like a different flavor of the show. Denwo After Dark. A lot of the times the charts have been flat, like they haven't been doing shit the past week, so we just hang out on Twitch and talk about it there instead. Alright, but let's get to business. I got a lot to go through. Yeah, and Discord too. Discord is on Wednesdays. No, Discord's not free because.
How much would I have to donate for you to check out AMC?
WTF, mate. No, you did it. Oh, I love it. I need to just start a counter on the stream of like 30 minutes since the last AMC joke, since AMC was brought up in the chat. Every time, without fail. Actually, I was gonna mention it at some point. Mateo, thanks for the sevens. I know it's a joke, cause you added sevens. The magic numbers there, you must be, I know you've been around, Mateo. You must be a savage, so no he's really asking about it. It doesn't look too hot. Not looking so pretty. Look. The Discord's not free. The members support the captain. They ride the ship nice and safely. I protect them. I don't let anything happen to my crew. I keep them updated. Everything they need to know. It's the real deal. They pay a fee to ride the ship to safety. We're going to the moon. I'm going to the moon. I'm steering the ship. They want to come with me. Then I'll take your ticket, please. You need a ticket to board with the savages. Not just any coconut can come along for free. We got limited resources. So shout out to the members. They support what I do. That's why you all get a free live stream in the first place. They support my technical analysis dedication on the charts, right? That's a lifestyle. I don't pick and choose when to turn the charts on and off. They're moving and grooving all the time. That takes a lot of commitment, a lot of dedication. I wouldn't have fucking time to do the live shows if it wasn't for the real crew on Discord. They support the show, that's why there are no commercials. That's why I drop the fire. I give you the real deal, no BS. Because they support me to do that. I don't have to take sponsors. Robin Hood, suck my dick. No commercials, no sponsors, no BS. Just a free, awesome live show. Because of the support of members. Oh, I was gonna say one more thing. Oh, we do it all on Discord, brother. Not just crypto. No, we do crypto, stocks. We even talk about real estate. We talk about life. It's an incredible community. We talk about everything. If that sounds good to you, we're loading some new passengers. We got some room. If you're interested, send me an email. I'll give you a free trial. I'll give you a free invitation to join us and check it out. Email me at denwotrading@gmail.com. Let's see if you in the chat are interested, thinking about maybe you want to try it out. Come on aboard. The more the merrier. You'll probably love it and you'll want to stay, so let's make some money. Hard to do on the AMC chart. I remember you, Frederick. Yeah, you have a unique name. You're the only one with a K. Well, that spells your name like that. Mateo was asking about it too. I was responding, but the
THNX for steering cap.
Jeff, let's fucking go! Hype. Thanks so much. Aw. Gonna be my Valentine's Day today. Appreciate you, man. Extra rocket fuel. Woo. I was hoping it was a hot day. Glad you're feeling the hype today. So, it's happening. It's happening. It's just tricky right now. You have to really dive deep to figure it out. Sympathy for new traders, honestly. I don't imagine new traders certain. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone, for real. That's interesting. I've always said weird things happen on Valentine's Day with crypto. Yeah, it's interesting. Been saying that for like 2 years now. Because all the casuals are out busy with their girlfriends, basically. They're not paying attention to the charts today. And like, only hardcore traders are watching the charts, pretty much. So it chops around in the morning and afternoon. People are not really sure, and they're 0%, and they sell it, whatever, and they go out for dinner, and they come back. What the fuck? Litecoin's 110. Casuals aren't paying attention today. They're too busy. But they're big. You know, I'm busy with my big. How fitting is that? Like, how perfect is it? Like, going on Valentine's Day, Dash Bay, Valentine's Day. Almost hitting 70 on Dash there. Holy cow. That's a nice green candle. Didn't even go down last night, yesterday. It's not like it did that. That was a few days ago, last week. Solid breakout retest. Now we're getting the follow through already. Really cool how it's already happening on select ones, because right now at this rate, and it's not unexpected, but the S&P could take all week. It really doesn't have to move too much right now. It might. I'll set an alert on it for when it actually is getting to more spicy levels, like 1750. When it's hitting that number, it could spike way up like that. So it doesn't have to do anything right now. It could take all week to get through like that, but maybe it will. Power hour. There's not that much time left. 2 hours left on the bell. So yeah, all the stock traders think there's gonna be some like mega move off the news or whatever. It just didn't do shit, and that's fine. Maybe it will. Power hours start hitting that number, hit the alert. But it could take all week really, so some of the stocks not too pretty right now. Like AMC's pretty low. Could look at that a couple ways. I look at it as it's weak. That's definitely weak. To even go down like that at all whatsoever. Back under 5. On the other hand, it's low enough. Hold higher lows there and start bouncing back up. So that'll take like all week on AMC to get back up. Better numbers, right? That's what I mean about the stock market. Like maybe next week is starting to see bigger numbers on stuff like that. So that is a lot of those stocks right now. Like GameStop's right around 20. Yeah. So right here is gonna take like all week to get back up here. And then maybe next week it's seeing bigger numbers, stuff like that. So that's pretty much the whole stock market right now. In a lot of ways. Kind of low after last week. They're trying to turn around, head back up, finish the month strong. But they are weak. Like that is a sign of weakness. So it tells me when they really go down, like they're when AMC really starts going down, is gonna smash down. It's gonna collapse to penny stock. Like people are ready to sell this in a moment's notice. They're constantly panic selling it. Anytime it goes red, so they're ready to bounce, which is good for the whole markets. We shouldn't see much more selling like from here. But they're weak. Even the S&P, it's kind of weak. It could have gotten higher numbers like a month ago. I'm not that impressed with the S&P itself. So that tells me like when it's actually ready to go down, it's gonna get smashed. It's gonna drop like an anchor. Since it already, anytime it goes red, it already gets hammered, like, starts panic selling all this red candles, like the second
Happy
goes
New
red.
Day, everyone.
Oh, thanks,
Thanks for
Powder.
reading the wake cap. 777.
God, we made it today. I have a feeling it might stop by, actually. Much love, everyone. I said it's appropriate day to be all gushy. I tell you, I love ya. Because I didn't hear anyone getting messed up during all this. Everyone's sticking it, playing, good job. You've all learned a lot. The trend. This is where we prevail, because we're savage swing traders. The day traders getting fucked right now. The retail's confused by the news. We know the dollar trend, we know the euro trend, So it's been that way a long time. I was calling it from here, from the bottom. I remember streaming during that saying this is an obvious entry short against the dollar. Oh, careful, Frederick, with Tesla. Oh, you definitely should join us on Discord then, if you're planning Tesla moves. Tesla is exactly like this in a lot of ways. Different timing on it, same shape. Like, here's your proof that I'm not making stuff up about how important the Forex is. There's Tesla on the right, there's the euro on the left. So here's your proof that it's true that the euro, whichever way the euro goes, so will Tesla, so will the rest of the markets. The euro keeps going up. Tesla, look at that. Tesla's gonna keep going up. It's everything. Like, that's very important. That's all that matters for us right now. Because the euro trend, the Forex, the dollar trend determines whether we're bullish or bearish. Thanks, Frederick. You want the Discord link? Yeah, email me for the free trial if you want to read more about it or sign up. It's patreon.com/Denwo trading. The links are above my head right there. Patreon.com/Denwo trading. 84 members. Should they support the show? That's why I can go live all day right now. So those generous donations, thanks so much. Tips, whatever, treasure. So that's pretty neat. It's kind of neat that we can predict the whole markets based on the euro. Cause guess what? From down here, I was saying it was gonna go up here as the target. Angelina, you wanna be my Valentine's date? Where's Happy Cat? Bay's not disappointing. It's like breakfast in bed on Litecoin. I'm curious what the Grayscale CEO said. I think we'll go to the bell. Yeah, we'll just do that. We'll go to the bell on YouTube. do a whole deep dive, everything. There's a lot of charts I want to check out. I've hardly even checked the charts yet. We've hardly even skimmed the surface. I want to talk about. But I don't care the CPI reports. I care Grayscale CEO talking about crypto on Yahoo Finance. Hey Jurgen, we got our heads on. Get your heads on. So after the bell when the market closes, we'll switch over to Twitch and watch that. And you can watch for free on there too, by the way. The only reason to sign up for an account on Twitch is to talk in the chat. Okay, so we had this Bitcoin breakout like fucking a month ago. Literally, like early mid-January. It's mid-February now. I didn't mind this red right here. That's fine as long as we stayed above 20k. That's just normal retracement. We're in this range. We're range bound on a lot of things, which is a fine range to be at. I try to clear like this. Let's just cover all of that. That's like the bull box. And then that's just slight resistance, speed bump. So that range, pretty much every chart has that right now. Where like they started breaking out higher numbers a while ago, didn't make it to the next level yet. That's fine, that's normal, just speed bump, a little shakeout. As long as we're holding above 20k, that's all good because we've cleared that whole level. Right, we don't want to go down there for real with that. So if it was under 20k and it bounced right back up, it's all good. If it went under 20k and got stuck under 20k, that's no good. That hasn't happened. That could have happened there potentially. It didn't happen. It's bouncing right back up. It's similar to the stocks I was just showing there, like last week's red. It'll recover and kind of turn back up through the rest of the week here. It doesn't have to happen all at once right now today. Maybe it'll get epic. It could get epic, like power hour and crypto after the bell. So we'll keep watching it on Twitch. I think we'll at least clear through this today on it. Litecoin's already cleared through that. Bitcoin. Yeah, so this range is all good. I had no problem with that as long as it stayed here and didn't really go down. And it has, and it's already looking better. It's already getting spicier. More exciting again. It's a nice buying pressure. So this buying pressure leads to recovering that last little shakeout. And then we're pushing the breakout levels again, and the FOMO kicks in, and we make it to the next level. Everyone always wonders when moon, but the real question is how moon. How do we get there? Like, is how we get there is all that build up, all that shaking out and stuff. When it starts moving like this back here, we get all excited and then we kind of expect it to keep going in that that parabolic nature, like green every day, green, green, green. That's not how a rally happens. It's really not. They go up in massive spikes, consolidate, and then another massive spike, and then consolidate, and then another massive spike, and bursts and spurts like that. Not just like everyday green smooth. It'll kind of squeeze up real fast. People are full mooring in before you can really do anything about it, right? It happens so fast. If you're trying to make a decision about it, like mid-breakout, you're thinking about, like, it starts popping off and it hits 25 and you're thinking about buying 25 and all of a sudden it's 26 and you go put your order, oh, what the fuck is 27k now? By the time you get your order in there, hey Andrew, grab your button. That's legit, man. I was going to the pub, paint his face blue, and make plans to invade England. It's an Irish thing. Yeah, sounds like a fun morning. Hey, Greed, accept this. $22 resistance. I think you're talking about Bitcoin. Resistance is futile. This yellow trend line right here, this bit of resistance right here, okay, on Bitcoin. This is so short term that I'm not even concerned about that as being a real resistance. I don't consider it a resistance, not even up here at 24. I consider this all a range. There's gotta be some variation in the prices. There's gotta be some buying, some selling going on. With the Litecoin, that's usually $1 on the range. So check this out and see what I mean. Should we just get some of these like normal flat kind of chops over here. This area. See that range right there? That's like exactly $1. 95.50, 96.50 on Litecoin. Isn't that interesting? So Litecoin has normal volatility with like $1 deviation, standard deviation, and it gets range bound. That $1 of itself. That's what we have on Bitcoin right now in its own way. Between those purple lines, like 21 and 24. So instead of $1 like on Litecoin, it's a few $1,000s on Bitcoin. It is still a range just like that. And really what that means for me is I don't consider a real development here until it clears that range, until we take it to the next level. So really I want to see it get over 24,000, hold over 25,000 to be the next major development. And it would have to go under 20,000 down here to be a development to the downside. this yellow resistance right here, even though it's pretty short term, zoomed in, it's good enough that we should see some follow through with it. A lot of traders are gonna use that resistance in yellow right there if they're trying to make a decision about this area. So if you were watching it right here and you were thinking about buying, you'd be watching that trend line going, is it gonna dunk? Is it gonna pop off there? And it starts breaking that trend line and you're probably FOMOing. That's what a lot of traders are gonna do on it. So we should see follow through clearing that. And it can spike pretty far up today. We could get all the way up 24 again. 24k Bitcoin, 100 Litecoin, all right now today. Here's the trend on Litecoin. It's very clear and it could have changed. That's the thing. We had to monitor it. And I didn't even stream the charts like much last week when it was here fucking around. These are daily candles. And if it stayed red and went lower under 90, it could have changed and looked worse. It's lit right now. It's holding that trend. It's bouncing. It's getting a giant green candle. This is a nice reaction. This is best case scenario. So then zoom in here. That yellow line on Bitcoin I was just showing, look, it's already through on Litecoin. And same thing I was saying about Bitcoin, we should see some follow through with that kind of breakout there, even though it's a short term small trend line. If somebody was thinking about it here, they see that, they decide to buy instead of sell. That's how there's more things happening than meets the eye today. Like, maybe we don't really see that on the S&P, but we're seeing it on crypto. Starting to look more complete there. And yeah, so Litecoin, it might really go for it today. We have a strong power hour. We'll get to 100 on Litecoin. That would be pretty substantial to go from 90, under 90 to over 100 all in one day on Litecoin right now, wouldn't it? The Valentine's Day massacre. The $89 stop hunt. The bears got killed. So think about a casual coconut who wakes up this morning and goes, it's gonna be a big day. I'm watching the market opening with the news report before I have to go to work all day, and then when I get back I'm taking my girlfriend out for dinner for Valentine's Day, and I won't be able to check the charts again till midnight or like tomorrow or something. And oh fuck, Litecoin's just $89 going down. It's not looking good. I'm just gonna get out and get back in tomorrow. And they sell it at 89 and they go to work all day. And then they go to dinner. And then they come back, what the fuck, Litecoin's 110? That's all and they fumble it at 110 and push it to 120. Oh shit. It's a shame. SS on dick. So yeah, Jeff, I want to make it interesting. Want to make it interesting? I'm feeling it might surprise people. That's how it goes a lot on Valentine's Day with crypto. No one even knows that. I figured that out, of course. You won't hear that anywhere else, because I had to think about it. I've watched it all Valentine's before many times and seen similar things and thought about it. Like, why is it behaving so crazy on Valentine's Day? That's why. People got shaken out this morning. They're gonna be busy all day. They're not even gonna be paying attention. By the time they get back, it's way up. Jeff's wants to bet me my hat that Bitcoin's not gonna go to 24K right now while I'm streaming. Yeah, but it probably will while I'm streaming, while the market's open. Maybe not while the market's all open. We only got an hour 40 for that. Yep. Maybe not in the next hour 40 minutes, but while I'm streaming, it probably will. Maybe after the bell. Pretty much nothing can stop it now. It's just a matter of time. It's already kind of gonna go for it. Yeah, we want to make it interesting. If Bitcoin doesn't hit 24K while I'm streaming, I'll refund your tip. Double or nothing. I mean, never mind. We're not gambling. That's not gambling. It's a pirate's wager. Let's take a poll. I don't know if it will. Next hour 40 minutes. That's why I think it could. That's why I think it could actually, just because it probably shouldn't, right? So it probably will. That would be kind of wild if it did, so it probably will, because expect the unexpected. Like, that's what I'm seeing, how I'm feeling about today with Litecoin, especially. Look how it's just pushing on that next level already. It's not fucking around. Want to see the most bullish 5-minute chart ever? Litecoin right now. So next step, what's the next step? 100, like not 96, 97, 99. It's going to 100. And then it's gonna be getting pretty exciting all of a sudden. It wasn't as exciting every day at like 99 whatever back here, but all of a sudden to go from 89 to 100 in one day, that would be pretty big. That would be pretty epic. The end of the bears, like, see, because that's so fast all in one day that like anyone who sold it at 95 weeks ago, 97 a month ago, like 93 a month ago, or 89 this morning, if they sold it at any time there, like during the last month, they're about to pay the price. All of a sudden in one day, like, before they can change their mind. Like, somebody sold it at 95 a month ago, and they were just kind of waiting for it to go down, and all of a sudden it's hitting 100 again. Oh shit, VThor just spiked up major though. That's more than previous. 16% VThor bay. Might as well call that one too. It's the giant magic triangle. It's too beautiful. That's the highest on the day. VThor so far right now. Interesting. So we might even hit a bigger number on that today. It's 0.0014. It hasn't hit 0015 yet. For months. Like, might hit that today. That's the kind of stuff I'm talking about. Hidden treasure. Just going behind the scenes, like Ethereum's probably red or something, 0% or some shit. Meanwhile, VThor. Yeah, should at least get like 500% there. We're gonna have to start playing in targets soon. Like that would be a good target. Only 900%. My goodness. Close to a penny, say, for the initial target there. Yeah, it's fucking 10th of a penny. I want some VThor. I'll be right back and go buy some VThor. 1/10 of a penny. At that price, it's irresistible. 80 Swiss 43. I'll pull the audience. Do you think Bitcoin is gonna hit 24K while the market's open? Next hour and a half. It would if it gets through, like, starts getting higher up than it was before. Starts getting over there. This is kind of a stretch because it's not even 23k yet. Like if we were doing that 23, could easily get 24. If it starts getting up here, yeah, it could. And I think it will, but in the next hour and a half, we'll see what y'all think. Kind of depends on if the S&P is gonna get moving up at all. It's still 0% S&P, so I don't know. Like, there's gonna be much explosive action during power hour. If that was just finish the day strong enough and then crypto goes after the bell, either way it does look like we'll be seeing 24k on Bitcoin tonight. Yeah, period of night. As long as it clears through here soon. Start really tearing it up and happen quick. Quick move like that. Keep in mind, Litecoin's pretty much already up here. Litecoin's like halfway up that blue arrow already. Bitcoin's still more like down here. It just looks like a lot of way to go. Let's check the total market cap. Yeah, I'm gonna need a smoke break. S&P just turning green, oh boy. Oh, the pairings too. Well, here's another reason Litecoin's going 100 right now. The pairings. Litecoin, Bitcoin. This is today, this morning right here. When Litecoin was 89, that's where the pairing was. So that's looking pretty good. Because we're already pushing new levels on the pairing itself. Litecoin strength versus Bitcoin. Take it to the next level. That's what boosts the USD price on Litecoin, really. Huge move to be from down here this morning to up here right now. And then it might even get through. That's what we're gonna find out. Okay, polls open. Bitcoin 24k by power hour or by the bell end of the day. I'm laughing because everyone's gonna vote yes anyway, just cause. Do what you want. It's a democracy. No, it's not actually. It is in the chat. It's not on the ship. The ship is a dictatorship. What is the news on backed? mention. How is this news? Virtu Financial LLC has 79,000 stock position backed holdings, so it's not even that much. Exclamation vote. Exclamation vote, yes or no. Bitcoin 24K at the bell. I think it will by the time I end streaming. Maybe not by the bell, that's why I'm pulling hoggies. Like, would they write a news article like, oh, Soda Lime has 79,000 stock position in Grayscale Litecoin? ETF Daily News should write about that. Backtolding said Monday it'll close down its consumer-facing app to focus providing scalable business tech product and services. Okay. Continue its core focus providing business with crypto and loyalty experience. The discontinuation of the app ensures we are supporting the relationship of our partners and clients. With this move, we are focusing our investment on our core solutions that have product market fit and are positioned to scale quickly. Sounds good. Sounds fine. Decent enough. I mean, yeah, fuck their app. Yeah, I agree with that. Shut down their stupid app and focus on making money. Sounds good. So that's the kind of stuff it's... Why would that instantly change anything about it? It's not really gonna. Backdoor's already set up. It was already so set up on the chart. We already saw it. Chart squeezing back here, my goodness. We spent waiting patiently. That's the kind of stuff that helps it actually go to the next level. See what I mean? It's not gonna make or break it, or it's just a catalyst to actually take it there. So they linger, they consolidate, kind of like waiting for some events on the rest of the markets, maybe dollar dip, maybe S&P, maybe news like that. It can be various things. And all good news comes out and people will slam the buy button and it sends. It goes full send. It's not really because of it, it was ready to do that. That's gonna be the catalyst. I'm sure you're all smart. Yeah, I'm sure you all know what catalyst is, but let's have a reminder. A substance that increases the rate of a chemical reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. A person or a thing that precipitates an event. The governor's speech acted as a catalyst for debate. It's like the shit you add to the formula in science and chemistry. You're making a magic potion. It's like, oh, I gotta add the catalyst to get it to start on fire. Nice Litecoin taking it up. 96. So I think the media attention, we're seeing more media attention on Grayscale, and that's acting as the catalyst that we need for Grayscale Litecoin. Rest of this book, 23K every day. No, not this time. This is the real deal. It's not gonna fuck around anymore on Bitcoin. It's been enough. This area was enough build up for a whole month. When it hits 25K, it's not just gonna hit 25K, like it's gonna go to 30K. And then it'll fuck around some more. It's not just gonna go like 23 up and down, or 25 and then back down to 22 all month. Like, it's gonna smash here because of all that build up we already went through. That's kind of like saying or thinking that Tesla's gonna stay at 200 every day. Same range on Tesla on the right there. And it's like saying Tesla's gonna fuck around there every day for a month or whatever. Like, it's already done that enough. It's trying to go higher. They're all trying to go higher. It's looking pretty fire. Oh yeah, grab your towels. I'm on a boat. I've been trading y'all. We're gonna have a coffee break. Denwo catalyst. That's like that magician, the Carbonaro effect. He does magic tricks on people. It's like, have you ever heard of that thing, the Carbonaro effect? You're like, what the fuck is that? He's like, I'm Carbonaro. Haven't you heard of the Denwo catalyst? The real quadruple witching day. Ding dong, top of the list. I knew it. I was gonna make a joke about that earlier. It's like, it's a ding dong day. It's actually so much more than that. It backed 10% Grayscale Litecoin. Here's ding dong. 25% top of the list. Ding dong, top of the list, Valentine's Day. Figures. No coincidence. Oh, we should have known. All in ding dong on Valentine's, of course. Oh, nice day trade. stacks popping. Yeah, I mean, it's cruising. I'll set a 175 alert. It's good to see Jeff crypto stocks are lit. T-Cat similar. Hey Utideshi. Tom Brady. Yeah. He's us back. All the coconuts talking about get a financial advisor. But Tom Brady's advisors told him FTX was a smart move. Yeah, anyone with half a brain was skeptical of FTX because it kind of appeared out of thin air. All of a sudden, came out of nowhere, huge money and hedges involved. I never trusted it. Arthur says, one look at Sam Bankman, I knew it was a scam, shaking my head. S&P getting a bit more green power hour could be good. Just grabbing my coffee. This is a great start. I want to get this. I want to finish the day with that. Trigger some alerts. Yeah, boy. We're back in business. Crypto crew taking charge. Were there any other crypto commercials on the Super Bowl? Companies probably shying away from it. After the bell, we're gonna watch some videos. Check this out. How Robinhood gets casual traders hooked. Were there any Robinhood commercials during the Super Bowl? There's an old one, but curious. Oh, the predatory gamification of investing. Should be interesting. Gamification of investing. That's just a proper way to put it. No, I didn't watch the Super Bowl. I spent most of the day making the members update video. Thanks for the hearts. Tom Shady. Chicka, Tom Shady. My name is what? My name is who? My name is what? Chicka, Tom Shady. Well, I always wondered, how greedy do you have to be multi-millionaire and still go for $1 million crypto brand deals? Rihanna couldn't stop touching herself. Oh no, I gotta watch it. That's why they had her on there. It's the old nip slip technique. Old Janet Jackson nip slip technique. Power hour looking spicy actually. Bit of a movement right on the hour. I'm gonna zoom in dollar just to check. Inverse. Yeah. That would be a typical power hour. It's probably gonna fuck around a bit right here. Fuck around a bit right here, not actually break down, and then after the bell. So a crypto after the bell, yeah, maybe. If we finish nice and strong here the next hour, we can continue Bitcoin Litecoin. They're the main event right now. Let's see how the watch list is looking. How things is balancing out. Same ones from earlier. Ding dong. Back to Grayscale Litecoin. IDEX interest. Oh shit, that spike on IDEX. 50%. My goodness. Surprise IDEX. Should have been chilling way down there. All time lows. Huge targets on IDEX nowadays from down there. Could easily go to $1, $2 when it was like $3 all of the year last year. Up here, $3, $4, $5 for a long period of time. It's down at 15 cents. It can easily go to $1, $2. Fully expecting 10x on IDEX from there. expected to do it. Hasn't been any major developments really since it's been down there, and that's why it's hidden treasure. Now all of a sudden this, huh? Interesting. So we may be seeing IDEX on the top of the list more from now on. Cassier Maritime. All's good there. TAL's back at it again. TAL's done with their chasing. That one had been retracing for a couple of months since we hit that 10 target up there. Mine mid continues. There's some news about that too. So, see, I don't hate the news. I just think it's silly to trade based off of it. We knew it was very undervalued down here for months and months. Had time to accumulate it. It's already been crushing on the new year. Like, that's the new year rally starting down there at the very bottom. Right on the new year. So whatever news comes out about it right there, it's only gonna help it, really. It wouldn't really change anything unless it was like really bad, but then it would probably just be a shakeout, right? So it doesn't change like any of my opinion or plans for MindMed whatsoever. It's a nice catalyst, give us some extra rocket fuel, extra attention on it, more buying pressure. Let's see if we can find it. I think there's something in Hawaii. Got some kind of approval. Hawaii Center's approved bill to promote research into MDMA therapy. What are all of these articles with Virtu Financial LLC? You know, 126,000 investment in MindMed. I don't care. What the fuck is? Why are all these articles talking about this Virtu Financial making small investments? Maybe if it was like $126 million or something. Anyway, that's the news about it. Not directly MindMed. Close enough. Considering that's the concept of MindMed is psychoactive therapy type things. Why are you approving research psilocybin MDMA therapy? Psilocybin's magic mushrooms. Don't ask me how I know. Some more states kind of approving of this research and the speculations becoming reality. That voice crack was intentional. Oh yeah, because there were some crazy fucking wicks on the Binance charts. Yeah, the USD one. Oh my goodness. We're done. Now that's a check out. Now that's a stuff on. We eat red candles for breakfast. Yeah. Whoopsie, the hedgies accidentally pressed the sell button instead of the buy button. They must have misclicked. Actually, they hit their target perfect. They bought it all up. So who sold it? Stop loss is getting hit. Somebody buys it here, they go, oh, I'm buying at 21,000, it's nice and green, I'm at 23,000, nothing to worry about, I'll put a stop loss at 19,800. I'll be really safe and put my stop loss at 17,000, at 18,000. No way it's gonna hit my 17,000 stop loss. And if it was, I'll have time to sell it before it goes down there. And then you wake up, what the fuck? And you wake up the next day stopped out of your position. Oh, this one's nothing. That one's nothing compared to this one. How is a stop on? Holy fuck. How about 87%? It's silly. Must have slept right through that, even though. Damn, what a good buy though, right? Like, what if you had been able to buy a Bitcoin at 8K right there a year ago, last Halloween? Like, fuck. That would have been pretty epic. Everyone buy that ETH and sell it for 60,000. 68,000. Oh. Just instantly make 60 grand when you wake up the next day. Like, holy fuck. No, that's a trade. I told about it ahead of time. I explained this exact thing before it happened, and no one really got their orders in place in time. We could have done it though. We were that close. Like, all you had to do is have your order out there beforehand. I didn't have 8,000 dry powder laying around to do that. A couple people did. They didn't do it. Next time. I don't know. That's the kind of stuff you can do with bigger portfolios. I'm sure not many of you have 10,000 dried powder just laying around right now to put into Bitcoin, like, because we probably already did months ago. But yeah, with bigger portfolios, you're actually able to take advantage of different setups. Like the YFI trade. I think part of the reason YFI is not more popular in the community is because it's like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. Fair enough. Not everyone has $7,000 dry powder to blast the YFI right now. Those are the kind of things, bigger portfolios that do. Can scoop up a whole YFI, and then YFI is like a really good trade on its own. And yeah, I think that's part of why not more people went for it. You can still get half a coin or a fourth of a coin or something, a chunk of one, a tenth of a coin, $700 kind of a thing. So it shouldn't really stop people. The psychology though. And grayscale Bitcoin, like, that's 11,000 right now. You can get a Bitcoin for 11,000 right now. Audio is glitching out. Let me check. Sounds good on that end. Yeah, we're good. Try refresh. I was kind of blasting the music. The music was too loud. Yeah, so how many people knew, like, in the world I didn't hear anyone mention it. That you could buy a whole Bitcoin worth of crypto with Grayscale Bitcoin for under $10,000 there. Not everyone has 10,000 dry powders by Bitcoin, but the hedges certainly do, right? And the bigger portfolios can take advantage of stuff like that. And I think it's cool knowing there's stuff like that out there. Dash, the master node, right? Lots of interest in the master node, but it's cost $67,000 to get a master node. Maybe you have 10,000 for a Bitcoin, but do you have $67,000 dry powder ready to fire a master node right now? Some of you do. Not everyone does. That's a big chunk of change for any trade, for any investment. Like, you could buy like a rare Charizard with that. You buy like a edition 1 fucking ratings 8 Charizard with that. You get like a whole collection of Pokemon cards for that price. But with bigger portfolios, you know, somebody with $600,000 portfolios not gonna really blink an eye at a $67,000 trade. I think it's cool knowing that stuff's out there. Even if you have a smaller portfolio. Because it's like, oh, well, if you're able to make $67,000 on your other trades, maybe next time Dash comes down, you can get a master node. You make 10,000 during this rally. Just envisioning what's possible. Let's say somebody was able to make 10,000 during this New Year rally action. On anything, whatever. Just 10k profit on some. Bitcoin goes up a lot. And then months from now, it crashes back down to 10,000. Well, maybe on Grayscale Bitcoin. And all of a sudden, you're able to buy a Bitcoin with your profits you made on the rally. So maybe you can't do that right now, or in the future. Or a Dash Master node, or a YFI or something. Oh, I got creative. Here's Elliottician discount chart, and I'm saving some of this for the Twitch show actually. We watched the video of the CEO. It looks like it's about to snap. I mean, I still think I could look more significant by the close in the next 30 minutes. We'll see. I was getting close to a big move. Anyway, I got creative, and since Elliottician's pretty much following Grayscale Bitcoin, which following Bitcoin is following the whole markets, right? It's all connected. That looks similar to Grayscale Litecoin. That looks similar to Tesla. It looks similar to everything right now, doesn't it? At the range, the lower end of the range, bouncing. Not actually going down. And there's Grayscale Bitcoin. Grayscale Ethereum. Same kind of shape to it. Okay. It's the same thing, Grayscale Litecoin. Just kind of shape to it. So they're all cycling together, red, green, same time. Different magnitudes, this one's up the most. So actually, like as we're monitoring those other ones having trend lines, where Grayscale Litecoin's already above, here's the trend line, Grayscale ETH. Not through it yet. So that's how we're really gonna be seeing green on Grayscale stuff. This can go like 200% further. We should be able to go a couple 100% on all the Grayscales. Grayscale Bitcoin orange trend line can go from 10 to 30, couple 100%. So those ones go a couple 100%. Like Elliottician's definitely gonna go a couple 100% as well. Probably even more. Go up there. So it's getting creative, and we didn't actually make a custom chart combining all three of them. This is where the sundial helps get creative. Grayscale Bitcoin plus Grayscale Ethereum plus Grayscale Litecoin. How about that? And here's all the Grayscale, like the big ones. The main Grayscales, all that are combined together in one chart. Oh, we're right there. I guess I was doing it, but actively developing. I was like on the line. Or pretty much the breakout. It just hasn't had any follow through yet. I'm being patient, I'm being conservative with it, so you know, we put it like this and it's not quite, so I guess on the line. So that's really what it is. Like, LTCN is gonna get bigger numbers when all of the Grayscale go up. Here, big resistance. What is this area? So that relationship's important. We know LTCN's not really gonna squeeze until we get those other ones completely clearing that trend line and everything. And they're all going together. And they have so much room for growth on it, on all of them. Or like even Grayscale Ethereum's a good trade right now. We never really cared about that one before. Grayscale Bitcoin, $10,000 for one Bitcoin right now, 11K. Because it takes 1,000 shares at $11 a share. Even that's pretty decent trade right now. As for ETH itself, 1500 psychological number. Over 1500 is good. So it's stop hunts under 1500 giant round number. And when it's over this primed and ready, let's see bigger numbers. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. I'd say it's just more awkward where we are right now. Being right here in the middle of the process, kind of awkward. And you see how it doesn't really have to go straight up today right now. That by the end of the week it can be pushing those next levels. Oh yeah, and total is right under 1T. So of course that's trying to go over 1T, under 1T is shakeout, stop hunts. And we got the same kind of range going on with that. Whole crypto market. So that's trying to go over 1T today, and it can stay up there, finish the week, pushing the next level. That was enough today already to be in shape, to be healthy. It would have looked a lot worse if it went down here today, if it was a big red candle on crypto. Hey, Happy Cat, there she is. My Valentine's Day date. Don't tell Nerdy Dirk. She's my Valentine's date for later. 25 minutes. S&P is 0.0% on day. Yeah, I'm not shocked. I'm not surprised there's no alerts going off, because yeah, that was enough. That bounce on Litecoin from 89, 95 is enough to get it going. Doesn't need to hit 100 today. I still think it probably will after the bell, like some point tonight. And we'll be hanging out on Twitch for a while, so we'll hear it if any alerts go off, and we'll check. Be looking for some signs of that after the bell. Yeah, so starting down at 88, 89, looking like that. Say it had gone down all day. That wouldn't have been very pretty. Yeah, we're gonna hop over to Twitch after the bell here. I'm on both right now, but I'm gonna end the YouTube show and continue on Twitch. Because I want to do some reactions. And I don't want to just stare at the 5-minute chart. But we'll keep monitoring, we'll keep an eye on it as I'm streaming for the next few hours. See if any alerts go off. Yeah, and we could tell too before this, like half an hour ago, when I was asking a question, Bitcoin gonna hit 24K by the end of the bell. I was laughing at it. It was a stretch. We didn't really think it was gonna. There's no reason, no need for it to really go too far right now. That's all good. Just to be pointing back up, getting buying pressure. If it had gone down, it could have looked ugly. So Litecoin could have gone down to 77. We could have gone down the magic number, and then we'd probably be sitting here like, oh no, now what? Like we gotta battle magic number again? No, fuck all that. We conquered magic number. Seven's in the chat.
777.
We conquered that territory at war battle time. Jeff, stay away from my hand. We never shook hands on it. The bet was 24K by the time I finished streaming, so we're just gonna be up all night till he gets there. I still got all night to hit 24K. What's the rush? SMP could have a boost. Last 20 minutes. I don't doubt it. I'm not doubting it. Litecoin $100 the next 20 minutes. Let's go. But it doesn't have to right now. So if it doesn't hit it, it's all good. I'm so happy it was 95. I'm happy as long as it's above 90. 95 is a bonus. I'm glad it didn't go down to 77. That car really slowed things down. That would have broke the trend line, the uptrend. Now that we're still holding that trend, that could last months. As in, right in that same trend line. Has proven its validity. We can use that same trend line for like the next 3 months, 6 months, whatever. 3 months from now, it's up here on the trend line, like, and then eventually it breaks below, and we go, oh man, it's changing. should continue as long as the Forex does. Same kind of thing on the euro. Looks just like the euro and the pound. Yeah, so that's all we really care about. It doesn't really matter if it hits 100 today, tomorrow, next week. It would just be kind of epic if it did it today, tonight. It's like, next time it does, the real FOMO is gonna kick in, like, cause people had plenty of time to buy the dip on it, the small dip, the retracement on Litecoin there, under 100 many times. If they were really bullish on it and they're trying to buy it for like $200 target, right? They're trying to double their money, they want to enter under 100 right up to 200. They had plenty of time to do that, and anyone who wasn't sure, doubting it, wanted to sell it, thought it was gonna go down, definitely sold it by now. So next time it goes over 100, like, it's on. That's gonna be real FOMO where everyone realizes, oh, I thought it was gonna go lower, and it's actually going over 100. Then there's not gonna be any doubting it. And because that's a huge continuation on everything, no wonder a lot of hesitation, a lot of build up and chop and shake out. Oh, had some funny pictures. Seems like a good time to shop. Oh, my phone just died. Never mind. I'll do it later. Some funny pictures. Fucking Moon Boys putting out dumb videos. The crypto YouTubers, they change their mind like every week. It's hilarious. So you know what they're talking about now while we're getting excited for this pop-off? They're talking about, oh, bears crossover, oh no. Oh, look out, guys, a death cross. Or a death cross. That's what they're saying on Bitcoin. On the moving averages. I'll prove that stupid. I will prove that stupid in one counter statement. When was the best time to buy Bitcoin? Under that pink line. Oh, like right now? Under the pink line. Back here, the best time to buy it on the pink line. Fucking death cross, suck my coconuts. That doesn't mean a thing. It means they're a year late on. It means their analysis is lagging as far behind as the indicator. If they think that means that, then they're a year late. Remember when we were bearish on Bitcoin at $70,000? You think fucking death cross matters on the moving average at 20? Hey, Merton. Now I gotta show the video I'm talking about. Gotta find it. The moon, boy. Changes his fucking mind every week. Confirmed death cross. Oh no, free fall. You see what I'm saying, my friends? Oh no, everyone shit their pants. Oh no, everyone panic. He sure looks panicked about it. He sure looks concerned about it. Oh, so yeah, that's what he's showing off on that thumbnail right there. And from death crash. I think what he's missing and is the best time in history to buy crypto is when it was under or on that purple trend line, that moving average. Like right here at 4,000, here at 3,000, or maybe here at 15, 20,000. Dustin. Yeah. Why does he look like somebody has a gun to his head? Hedges got a gun to his head. Tell all the retail to panic zone. Let him have it, Melvin. He's practically a hedgie himself. He's part. He's part of the reason the price is so choppy. He has such a big audience. He changes his mind every goddamn week. So his whole audience is like buy and sell it, buy and sell it. They don't know up, down, left, right, what to do. What's their name? Where were they born from? They don't know. They can't make up their mind on anything anymore. They're so lost in the sauce. Those moving averages are garbage. That's just that indicator sucks. Just hold on, new indicator. What does that indicator show like is going down? All day we've been talking about higher levels. That completely contradicts our real technical analysis. It's the real one. I need the moving averages. Yeah, so when you have people like that on YouTube, 500,000 subscribers, and every day they're changing their mind. Go back here, they put out a video like right here. Oh, Bitcoin to the moon. And 500,000 people FOMO buy, and the price actually spikes up on that. And then they put out a video right here. Oh, it's all over Bitcoin death cross, and hundreds of thousands of people fucking watching their videos panic sell based off that. It actually does cause the chart to move. Those new tubers are part of why it is so choppy here. It's like they put out a FUD video here and a Moonboy video here and a FUD video here, and now they're gonna put out a Moonboy video tomorrow because it's green again. Like, you got like tons of people buying and selling based off whatever they say, and they don't really know what they're doing. I can tell you for a fact they don't know what they're doing on the charts, because anyone who's, first of all, anyone who's bearish on it here is a coconut, because it was bearish at $70,000 a year ago. But they weren't bearish back there. Now they are, like, after it already crashed all you. That goes against buy low, sell high. Like, anyone who's even questioning that, really, like on YouTube, those YouTubers, you kind of have to be a coconut, because it's pretty obvious it crashed all year. It's undervalued now. And it's been trending up on the new year. It's fucking obvious. Anyone who's halfway decent technical analysis should get that. And I've seen them all years ago. Like, they're the same coconuts who've been on YouTube for 5 years. That's how a lot of them made their money in the first place, not actually being good at trading. Okay, they didn't actually make money being good at trading. They made money off of YouTube, just like Matt Kors and Trades. So they still don't know shit about the charts, about actual hardcore trade. And I could tell 5 years ago when I watched them back then, and that's how I got the idea a long time ago of, like, maybe one day I'll start a YouTube channel because I'm way better than these guys. I was way better than them 5 years ago, and they haven't really progressed much at all since then. They really haven't changed. They're not any better now than they were back then. They still suck. So that Moonboy has, he has like a $200 million net worth, guys. And people see his Bitcoin analysis like, oh, giant death cross, and they think he knows what he's talking about, because they go, oh, he must be rich because he knows all about Bitcoin. Like, he started a lot of early crypto, like, startups or whatever. He invested early in startup companies. That's how he got rich. Not by trading, not by the charts. Not because he knows where Bitcoin's going next, like. So yeah, all those coconuts were motivation to start our crew. Because I was like, if I drop real fire, there's gonna be people out there who do understand, who are gonna get it. Whoa, look at all those big brains in the chat. Why does half my analysis sound completely different than the rest of the world and the rest of YouTube? Because I actually do it for real, and they just pretend. This is all we need on Bitcoin. Case closed. Done deal. There it is. Beautiful. It's perfect. That's it. So it'll be funny like a year from now when Bitcoin crashes back down to 20k, 6 months from now, whatever. We go up huge, crash back down. All the coconuts YouTubers are gonna be like, "Oh, Bitcoin $1 million." When it crashes, and they're gonna be trying to figure out what the fuck's going on. We already know like a year in advance. So we're gonna be sitting there like, "Yup." They're gonna be talking CPI report. Oh, the big federal announcements tomorrow. Like, what the fuck? Are you picking up? I'm throwing down.
777.
Real traders don't do that shit. We got it all planned out here a year in advance. All we gotta do is execute on it. We know what's gonna happen. Now we gotta execute on it, follow it through. That's a 2-step plan. The first part is figuring out what it's doing, the second part is actually executing on it. We can't just know it's happening and not trade it the right way. Still have to buy and sell at the right times to tell the world, hey, I'm bullish, I'm bearish. That's how I see it. Like when you place an order, you're basically telling the world, like, I think this is bullish on the chart. That's how the rest of the world knows that you're bullish on crypto, because you put your order in. You can't just know it on the chart and not do anything about it. That happens often. You know how many trades I've seen predicted and not traded last year? Like hundreds. Like Ardelics. Oh, that Ardelics one, my goodness. It's been green every week for like 6 months now. We got 1 minute on the bell. SAP. A tiny bit red at the last minute. What a joke. Oh, TCAT was at double digit end. 10% at the end, TCAT. Nice. Yeah, totally a ding dong day. Ding dong, top of the list, literally. Happy Valentine's Day. Shout out to the ladies. Lot happening if you know where to look for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope y'all had a great day. Yeah, let's see that. Like I said, ding dong day, but I love to see the crypto stocks top of the list. That was the best part about it. TCAT double digits is spiked up even more on the opening. Well, it's up more yesterday. So every day T-Cat's pushing back at it again, back in business. Great to see, because they're behaving as expected. They're actually outperforming the altcoins. Legit, right? Because Grayscale Litecoin's up more than Litecoin itself. That's interesting. Spiked up to 15%. Litecoin's like 5%. 4 or 5%. TAL. It's cool, that's going again. Yeah, so not many new developments. I wouldn't expect there to be. Things could have got ugly if they did sell off all day and that we're all steady there. Because again, the S&P could fuck around all week. It doesn't have to go tomorrow either. Go down all day tomorrow, whatever. We'll be live all day on Discord tomorrow. So, and then just when the alerts go, end of week, I'll see how the dollar finish. Tiny bit red, tiniest bit ever. And yeah, now after the bell, it'll probably go under that line. So maybe crypto, it will continue right now. That was a weird last minute red candle on stuff though. We'll have to give it some time. We're gonna switch gears and hop over to Twitch. Talk about what's going on with the mainstream. I want to hear what the Grayscale guy has to say. And while we're doing that, maybe in an hour from now, we start getting more green again on crypto, and it actually continues after the bell, possibly. Because total's still trying to get up to 1T. Yeah, this is where we're at with pretty much everything right now. Curving up, bouncing solid off the lines. If they had gone down, they would have looked kind of ugly. But we're all good with that. It doesn't even need to pop off tomorrow, just curve up, but maybe it will. Maybe with crypto it just keeps going right now after the bell. You can tell they're turning back up on the charts. I think even Tesla has that, so even, yeah, it's at the upper end of the range already. So, something like this is the range on Tesla. And a lot of them are right here right now, turning up, which I was just showing. Tesla is already at the upper. That's what we're looking for. So by the end of the week, should be a lot more of that. Continue. I'm satisfied with all that. It's pretty decent. Just a quick look at the bear charts, the other S&P ones. Yeah, they're all green. Nvidia 5%, same kind of thing, yeah. Oh, Kaba, 10%. Holy shit, bears. Who's in Kaba? fuck's happening? From the weekend update video. I almost went for that one. That's like just as good as Tesla put it. Wow, that's starting to play out big time. Already down 30%. That's why we gotta hurry up and crush crypto so we can get on some of these fucking bear charts. Just Revenant, yeah, man. That between the AEHR, this one's better because it went faster. That went 20x over like a few months, whereas AEHR went over a year or so, a longer period of time. Yeah, 2 years slower moving AEHR. But hey, Tesla put's coming up. Palantir 20% bounce, all time low. Alright, cool. So here's what we're gonna do. Continue the show. And we're not gonna stare at the church. We're gonna watch some videos and hang out, and maybe play some Valheim 2 at some point. Play it by hour. But we're going over twitch.tv/Captain Denwo. I'm on both right now, so I'm not even gonna end the show or anything. But I am ending it on YouTube. The YouTube show is gonna end, and we're gonna be on here. And we're gonna keep talking about the markets for a while, because I want to go through these videos. I want to show you them. I want to watch them myself and talk about it. It should be interesting. So we're on there right now live, but I'm gonna take a quick smoke break first. I'll be back on camera over there in like 5 minutes. See you there. Thanks everyone. The trading crew. I mean, show's continuing, but yeah, I'm trying to keep it more concise for YouTube. Concise kind of market rundown, and then we're gonna go hang out and keep talking about it. More chill over there. Cool, thanks everyone. Have an awesome rest of your day. Take care. See you on Twitter. Alright, so again, I'm just gonna end the show on YouTube and it's continuing over there. We're already live on Twitch right now.